Hello Philippines and hello world. Miss Anja Carajutatip nahaharap sa isang legal actions na ipinasa or inihain ng former Miss Universe head Paula Shugart. Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Paula Shugart, former president of Miss Universe Organization or MUO, is mulling to take legal actions against the part owner of the beauty organization, Thai business mogul Anja Carajutatip, for alleging that she took money under the table to ensure certain title holder won the global tilt. Matatandaan na nag-trending at nagkaroon nga ng napakaraming issue yung katatapos lang na Miss Universe kung saan na bahagi itong si Miss MMD or Michelle D na hindi nga niya naiuwi ang corona sa Pilipinas. Kasabay nga nito ay nag-trending din at napag-usapan ang pag-step down as a president of Miss Universe na si Miss Paula Shugart. So dahil po dito ay hindi naniniwala ang ilan sa mga organization at kabilang sa dito po sa patimpalak na ito, sa beauty contest na ito, na wala pong malalim na dahilan kung bakit nag-step down itong si Paula Shugart dito po sa nasabing event or dito po sa nasabing prestigious event ng buong mundo. So, Shugart served as a president of Miss Universe since 2000 before stepping down last November 2023. She announced her retirement during a pre-pageant event of 72 edition of the Beauty Tilt. In a statement on his Instagram account last Monday, Feb 19, Shugart said she's eyeing possible legal actions taken against the Miss Universe owner after she accused the former of taking money to secure placement in Miss Universe competition. So hindi nga nagustuhan nitong si Miss Paula Shugart ang mga aligasyon, yung mga bintang nitong si Miss Anja Carajutatip na isa sa mga owner ng Miss Universe na si Miss Paula Shugart to di umano ay tumatanggap ng suhol para po dun sa mga kandidata na magkaroon sila ng place, no? Parang nakakabalang na tama pala talaga no ang mga aligasyon. Recent posts and outrageous comments made by the Miss Universe owner Anja Carajutatip, "My character have compelled me to break my silence." Ayan, no? Medyo mabigat-bigat. Sabi niya, ito na yung pagkakataon ko para po basagin ang aking katahimikan. I would choose to ignore such assertion but by suggesting that I am corrupt and took money under the table to secure placement in Miss Universe competition. So dito natin mapapatunayan dito po sa takbo ng storya na ito na meron talagang korupsyon na nagaganap dito po sa nasabing event. Dahil alam naman natin na hindi lang isang bansa ang kasali dyan kundi buong mundo. Buong bansa or buong mundo po ay nagpapadala ng representative including Philippines at hindi lang po barya ang inilalabas ng ating pong bansa para po sa nasabing prestigious event. Jack Carajutatip not only defamed me but she also discredit the women who have won the Miss Universe crown by implying their titles were bought and not earned by merit. Yun po yung isa sa pinaglalaban niya. Parang sinasabi po, pinaglalaban ni Miss Paula Shugart na gusto niyang i-refute yung sinasabi nitong si Anja Carajutatip na ang mga nananalo ng title holders ng nasabing event ay hindi po nila yun binili. Kumbaga parang pinaglalaban ni Paula na hindi po dun yung labanan, no? Yun din yung isa yun. Parang kumbaga lumalaban siya hindi lang para sa sarili niya, kundi para na rin sa lahat ng mga kandidata ng Miss Universe. Shugart stressed that Jack Carajutatip reckless allegation would tarnish the name of the pageant and its title holder, that she couldn't stay silent after such remark were leveled against her. Kasi nag-post po itong si Anja Carajutatip sa kanyang Twitter account. Ang dami niya pong mga allegation doon patungkol kay Miss Paula Shugart at sa mga suhol nga di umano na natatanggap nito. Sabi niya, I cannot abide my such dangerous and reckless assertion which degrade the Miss Universe brand and its title holder. She said, "Since announcing my resignation last November 2023, I have sought to stay out of spotlight, electing not to comment on any of the changes within Miss Universe organization." Hindi siya nag-comment, tahimik lang siya sa mga gustong mangyari nga nito si Anja Crayotatip. The former Miss Universe president asserted that she's bound to speak the truth. While considering a legal action take against Jack Crayotatip, she also pointed out that she will let her years of service as the former head of the organization speak for itself. So hindi niya na daw po kailangan magpaliwanag. Hayaan niya na lang po yung tagal ng taon na itinagal niya dito po sa nasabing Miss Universe organization ang mag-speak for them. "I am presently consider my legal option in Thailand and what action I might take. It is imperative for Miss Universe brand and its legacy that I immediately speak the truth and condemn these words before taking any action," she said. Ang tapang po ni Miss Paula Shugart, sinabi niya na hindi niya palalagpasin ang pangyayaring ito dahil nag-take na po siya ng legal actions. No? Sabi niya, "I have no intention or need to engage in drama or social media. I will not do so. Anyone who knows me knows the truth. And what I stand for, I will let my years of work with some truly incredible women speak for itself," sabi niya. Shugart post earned the support of former title holder Ximena Navarrete and Lupita Jones, as well as former Miss Universe talent director Esther Swan and Miss USA 2014 Nia Sanchez in the comments, no? So lahat po ng mga taong malalaki ay na-involved ay talagang nag-like at nag-comment. Sabi ni Lupita Jones, "You are professional and a lady, the truth always shine and your light batters the darkness." So parang parang 1 versus 100 na to. Ang daming kumampi kay Miss Paula Shugart. And Miss Real Sanchez also said, "You are and always have been women of integrity. I account myself lucky to have been under your leadership." So, ito rin pong post na ito ni Miss Paula Shugart patungkol nga dito sa mga aligasyon na ito ay nilike ni Miss Pia Wurtzbach, ni Miss Michelle D at ni MMD. So, talagang medyo ito po yung ito po yung allegation. While Shugart didn't state which of Jack Crayotatip's statements she was referring to, the latter caught the attention of pageant fans after stating her intention to create prosperity in the universe sa kanyang Twitter account. "Firing," sabi niya. Or to put it politely, inviting me out and resigning are different things. No one resigned, Jack Crayotatip said in Thai, but which was auto-translated in English. So doon talaga siya nagbubunga nga dito po sa Twitter niya na hindi po talaga pinalagpas ni Miss Paula Shugart. So maganda yung ginawa ni Miss Paula, at least hindi man magsalita yung mga kasali dito sa nasabing event na ito, yung mga candidates, meron silang spokesperson na pwedeng magsabi ng kanila pong mga hinaing through Miss Paula. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano ang magagawa ng pera nitong si Anja Crayotatip sa legal action na gagawin ni Miss Paula Shugart. Kasi na-sustain nga naman yung kanyang names diba? So kayo po, anong saloobin ninyo patungkol dito? Comment down below.